In an election, candidate participated. 25% voters did not cast their votes, out of which 500 votes declared invalid, and the winner get 75% of valid votes and win by 2750. Find the number of voting list. Voting list is voting list is 100. So voting is 25 voters did not cast their votes. Voting list is 75. Out of which 500 votes declared invalid. So valid votes is 75 minus 500. Okay. So what is the difference of 10 rupees minus? What is the difference of 10 rupees minus 2 rupees? So the difference is 8 rupees. So what is the difference of 10 rupees minus 1 kilometer? Okay, so it is not possible to subtract kilometer from rupees. Okay, so similarly, so 75 is the voting list, 500 is the invalid votes. Okay, so it is better to take voting list is 100x, so voting is 75x, so valid vote is 75x minus 500. So the winner gets 75. The winner gets 75% of votes. So the loser will get 25% of votes. So majority is calculated by winning percentage minus losing percentage. That means 50%. So 50% of 7 minus 500. So this value is equal to 2750. So 50% is 1 by 2. So 75x minus 500 by 2. So value is equal to 2750. So multiply this one, 75x is equal to 0, 10, 15, 5. So 75x is equal to minus 500 minus 600. So 15, 5 times, 4 times. So x value is 8. So x is a voting list. So 25% votes did not cast their votes. So 25% is equal to 1 by 4. Okay. So voting is 3 by 4. So x is the total voting. So 3x into 3 by 4 is a voting list. Voting. So out of which 500. So these are the total. This is the voting list. This is the voting. Okay. Out of which 500 is invalid. So minus 500. So this total is valid votes. So in this value winner will get 75%. So loser will get 25%, so the difference is 50%. So 50% is 1 by 2. 1 by 2, so the result is equal to 2750. Okay, so 2750 into 2, value is 0, 10, so 5500. Okay, so x into 3 by 4 is equal to 2, so 2 times, so x is equal to 8000. So see voting list, voting valid. So here I am taking valid is 100. So the loser will get, the winner will get 75%. The loser will get to 25%. So majority is, the difference is 50%. So 50% of 100 is 50. So 50 units represents 2750. So 0 0 cancel, 5 5. So value is 55. So total valid votes is 5500. So voting is valid plus invalid votes. So valid votes are 5500 plus, so invalid votes are 500. So total is 6000. So 75% of votes is 6000. So 100% votes is what? So 75% is 3 by 4. So 3 represents into 200. So 4 represent into 200. So value is 8000. In an election, candidate participated, 37.5% voters did not cast their votes, out of which 1000 votes declared invalid, and the winner gets 60% of valid votes and win by 1500. Find the number of voting list. So take X is voting list. 37.5% voters did not cast their votes. So 3 by 8. 37.5% is equivalent fraction is 3 by 8. So out of 3 persons are did not cast their votes. That means the voting is 5 by 8. So this is equal to total voting. X is a voting list. So X into 5 by 8. X into 5 by 8 is a voting, out of which 1000 votes declared as invalid. So minus 1000. So this is a valid votes. So the winner gets 60%. That means the losing person get 40%. So majority is the difference of winning minus losing. The difference is 20%. So 20% is equal to 1 by 5. So into 1 by 5. So value is equal to 1500. Calculate x into 5 by 8 minus 1000. So value is, so into 5, so 75 plus 1000, 8500 5 1700 into 8